Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to change default browser on Android. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So let's start. In Android, first you have to swipe down and look for the gear icon or go to your phone settings. Here on your phone settings, you have to look for default browser, but since Android have different features, if it's hard for you to find a default browser, you can just basically go to the search icon and then you have to look for default or default apps. So since I can't find it here, I have to tap on this search bar and type default. Then there will be a different options, but you have to look for default apps. So you should see the default apps here, and all you have to do is click that one. Once you tap default apps, what you're going to do next is you have to look for browser app option. As you can see here, I have set it to none. So in order for me to default a browser here, then I have to tap this. I have options. And if you want the default browser application, just tap on what you want to use, for example, Chrome. After that, you can go back, and if you look at your browser application, it is set to Chrome. And that's how easy it is to change default browser on Android. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.